want your side. She won't tell us her side. And all she keeps playing. You know she got served divorce papers today.
No, I did not.
Okay, let's get served divorce papers today.
Okay.
Now she's playing the victim all over again. She bought furniture from here, correct? Yes, she did, because it got delivered.
Yes.
Okay. So, is it, she's telling you one thing and telling everybody else another?
Well, I don't know. What is she telling you?
Well, there's nothing between you two. She just does your books. And, you know, that's it. And, you know, she's an abused woman. You know, meanwhile, you know, 30 years.
The abuse part, yes. I mean, that is true. I have seen the bruises and stuff. I mean,
when I came down right after Tiffany, let me tell you what. She waited until I left. She threw a mug at Dad. She fucking had him by the balls. This and that. It all had to do with me. You know what I mean? For 30 years, that woman made sure he wasn't in my life.
Tim, if she was abused, why would she keep going back there?
Right.
I was abused. I've had handprints. I'm a wreck. I've been knocked around. You don't go back to that situation.
No,
and
she
your
did
children.
leave.
Right.
She did leave.
And she keeps running back. Why?
She was served divorce papers today and showed back up at the house. She's fucking sick. I can't even...
What the reason that Anders is saying...
Are you banging her? That's what we want to know.
Yes.
I need to answer that.
Right.
All right, well, then you have your answer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I know.
But my understanding is the reason she keeps going back, and this is, you know, happening over and over and over, that what she tells me, she can't stand what she put Freddie through. And so she keeps on going back.
That just makes it harder.
Exactly.
If she would go and leave.
Exactly.
That would be
That's what
fine.
I told her.
If she would leave, and she doesn't. She comes back there and plays her bullshit.
Yeah.
And the only way he knows is because we stand there and make sure that she does. Like, you're not fucking happy there, and you want to be done? You know what I mean? Fucking go, pack your shit, bitch, and leave. Keep it fucking moving. Leave.